side shields are an included accessory for all Q-Optics Classic and Panto flat front frames. The Eclipse frame does not include additional side shields, as the frame meets OSHA and ANSI safety guidelines without a need for them. Side shields are engraved with the frame style it is made to fit, as well as an indicator for whether it is meant to fit on the left side or the right side. To attach a side shield, align the slimmest part of the temple arm with the corresponding side shield, ensuring the shield is perpendicular. Rotate the side shield to its upright position along the temple arm and slide it forward into place. Please note that this may feel like a snug fit initially. When the indentation in the side shield aligns with the temple arm screw, you'll have achieved the correct final placement. Repeat the process for the other side. Ensure the side shield is aligned flush to the front side of the frame. Misalignment of the shield will impede proper movement of the arms, restricting the intended range of motion, and could cause gaps preventing proper protection from splashing and debris. If you need to remove your side shields, be aware that it may be a little tough the first couple of times before things loosen up a bit. It helps to put light pressure on the corner end piece of the frame itself, with your thumb supporting the interior of the frame and your index finger on the exterior. With your other hand, you'll pull the side shield back along the temple arm while gently pushing lightly with your supporting index finger. Thanks for watching. For more videos about your Q-Optics loupes, subscribe to our channels.